So a wiser, much wiser man than I once said, real love is not in finding the perfect person. No, real love is looking at an imperfect person perfectly. Again, real love is not in finding the perfect person. It is looking at an imperfect person perfectly. And that quote has really stuck with me a lot. Most of all because I am probably one of the most imperfect people you will ever want to meet in your entire life. And Dad is being very gracious. I'm getting better. But honestly, growing up in my life, I was rebellious, angry, it was not nice, and I did my very best to push everyone away from me that I possibly could, including Dad. And it wasn't until years later that I asked to come back into his life. And still angry, still rebellious, still not great, but learning and open. And Dad did the most amazing thing. By looking at a perfect person perfectly and welcoming me back into his life. And since then, I have been the luckiest person on earth, if not the wisest, in that I have someone in my life who has shown me the nature of true love. Someone who inspires me, someone I can look up to, someone who has shown me an entire world of amazing adventure. We have now traveled to 12, 15 different countries together. And has taught me more about life than I could possibly express when there's time in that camera to record. And then, as Andrea pointed out, an amazing thing happened, which was that this beautiful person up here, who has taught me more about joy and happiness and love and just embracing people. And together, these two people have taught me the nature of true love, the nature of bonding and bringing each other happiness and being there for each other and being there for others, putting others first, putting each other first. They're amazing. And I'm so blessed and I'm so fortunate to have two such wonderful people in my life as symbols, as guides, as parents. I'm the most blessed guy on earth. And then I got that beautiful woman up there, and I'm getting to put a lot of these lessons that they taught me to work. And I'm very grateful to her as well, as they together continue to look at an imperfect person perfectly. And when they look at each other, man, that's true love. You know? So I'm going to get it. I'm going to finish it a little light, and I'm so grateful to you. Thank you so much for bringing that beautiful, nonsensical toast to finish everything up. Because I'm going to bring, to finish the toast, I'm going to bring up my favorite master of nonsense, Dr. Seuss. So if you'll please raise your glass. We're all a bit weird, and life is weird. And every so often, we find someone in this world whose weirdness matches our own. And we fall in weird.